It go global and now where Jahshii will get afraid. Artists are afraid of artists, man. Artists can't kill artists, you know. If a man go kill Jahshii for stage, we miss it because we do things, you know, and we just say someone sitting, but after we watch him back, you know. So, I say, if me go shot Jahshii for stage, the same thing then go do.
Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know the Wednesday morning well vibe here, so we have to keep a vibe. And we're gonna thank Father God so we have life. And people, that one here is a quick update. Everybody don't know what it go on with Silk Boss. What they in the media, we have a couple of videos out on Jamaican Chat, we'll cover that, as well as other vloggers have for them videos out, we'll cover it as well. So people, this is a new shocking update, right? Because remember, say everybody they feel like said Jahshii was the one to be blamed for the whole ordeal with Silk Boss. So whole heap of threat did I go out from Mobay man, one bag of thing. So here is a Mobay dancehall artist coming forward and apologizing basically, and I'd say it was a media stunt basically. He said that he wanted to get, you know, he want people recognize him, so to speak. So he never did mean nothing serious about a threat. I'm now push this out people so that's, you know, Jahshii them feel like say everything safe or whatever in a Mobay, but we just like get the word out because you don't know this is a Jamaican Chat. So I'm gonna drop the rest of the vlog people with the brother here attack. I'm gonna just stay tuned, like, share, subscribe on the video here. Big up Jamaican Chat.
The whole media knows that I like we are looking and upgrade. So with them I come with right now, some man is come with be a fuck. You see me? Skeng big up yourself, Jahshii big up yourself. The whole of we are artists. So if we are idiot, and that we have to use to make our money for them say, yo, Jahshii and party in a war and you see me so Scotch go get big and them go get big too. So not follow nobody. So all people them get afraid. All people not afraid, man. Nothing like that, man. Man can a war and go on TikTok. You idiot. Not follow nobody, man. There's some media run with some sit down. So my media run some fuck. And them shouldn't get locked up. And if man them we are say Ray. You see me? Because some man now say nothing of them I say Ray go up man St. James and go. And some people want things say I'm not man. Me dey on TikTok every day. Me dey on TikTok because the man in light. Me na town same way I buy goods to my shop. You see me? I mean nobody tell about no punish town or Mobay and no well war. Nothing like that, man. A musical war. People don't understand. And a physical like gun war. Music war like Skillibeng Jap one song, Scotch Jap a song. You see me? Alkaline Jap a song. Busy, everybody's a Jap a song. You see me? A music war, man, and a physical war. So immediately make the people them know say, yo, okay, yeah. And if you don't want me to go to the station, no put up on TikTok, I go carry myself. I have to wait for the police to come for me. You can't just go down a free port there, so I talk to them, give them my phone, I then see the system. And I'm not like no war with no gun and them bumble. And music war, because so we want to keep up ourselves. We have to up, because we are saying we now boss. But as two artists as clash, we go boss. So someone don't want we boss, some media don't want we boss, so you go put up beer rubbish. Why you not put up when I good sitting them we do? Why you not put up when I make a video them, the dancehall video me have on my video? They not put out nothing for me, I just be rubbish them I put out. So I media them I run with foolish and I trick the people, but I media trick the people and people. That media trick on the road. Nobody not call nobody I say nothing. The whole place alright same way. Me that Spanish told me that town same way. Say man you want man hold me same way. So nothing no go so. You see me that town same way. No follow nobody man people. You see me still have to go to studio town. You see me still have to go to Monday, me still have to go to Ochi. So no make nobody tell me about no a war. No man, a music war. Music. It go global and now where Jahshii will get afraid. Artists are afraid of artists, man. Artists can't kill artists, you know. If a man go kill Jahshii for stage, we miss it because we do things, you know, and we just say someone sitting, but after we watch him back, you know. So I say, if me go shot Jahshii for stage, the same thing then go do. So when the media run with that, the media then say, that you tell look some views or highlight. I think they will know. I think so my media when I say, no sir, our views are you tell look, a shopping have me run through TikTok page and so I say you have in data birthday and certain thing. They don't highlight nothing for me on TikTok like my daughter birthday, the muggling, you know.